if you're experiencing approval delays on Yahoo Mail, there are several steps you can take to resolve the issue quickly. Follow these steps to streamline the approval process. Step 1. Check your spam folder. Sometimes, important emails can end up in the spam folder. Make sure to check this folder for any approval emails that may have been misclassified. Step 2. Verify email address. Ensure that the email address you provided for the approval process is correct. A simple typo can lead to delays in receiving necessary communications. Step 3. Resend approval request. If you haven't received a response, consider resending your approval request. This can prompt the recipient to take action on your request more quickly. Step 4. Contact support. If the issue persists, reach out to Yahoo Mail support for assistance. They can help identify any technical issues or delays in the approval process. Step 5. Follow up. After taking the above steps, follow up with the person or organization that needs to approve your request. A polite reminder can often expedite the process. By following these steps, you can effectively address and resolve approval delays on Yahoo Mail.